Progress channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 5. The problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like below. As in 5 stars in the first line, 4 stars in the second line, 3 stars in the third line, 2 stars in the fourth line, and 1 star in the fifth line. So let's solve this problem. So first we are anyway going to use nested for loop. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. This means we'll be using 5 lines, n lines. So in the inside for loop, we'll decide what to print. So now j is equal to 0. Now here comes the twist. J less than, I have to print 5 stars in the first line. So I would use n minus I here and j plus plus. And then I would print the star. That means now for the first iteration when I is equal to 0, j will start with 0, but it will go till 5 minus 0, that is 5. 0 to 5, it will print 5 stars here. And then after every line of printing, we have to separate it out. New line. So also